Jacob has no excuses. Look at the brush he's using. Do you see that? It's like I don't know what type of brush that is, but it's a brush.
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, I'm going to be reacting to a video that was under the hashtag 360Juice. Yesterday, I made a post in my community saying I wanted to help you guys grow your channels. So if you're a wave channel and you want to grow, all you have to do is do a wash and style video, no longer than 10 minutes, and of course, more than a minute long, and upload it to your YouTube channel, hashtag 360Juice in the title and description. So just tag 360Juice, and I'm going to go search that tag up every single day and pick out wash and style videos and just react to them and shout you guys out. Hopefully giving you a chance to grow your channel. But guys, right before we get into this video, we want to give a big shout out to our friends over at the Coldest Water Bottle for making this video possible. Get your coldest water, link is down in my description. Use discount code 360Juice, get some money off at checkout. And also, if you want a chance to enter the giveaway that the Coldest Water is doing, that is also linked in my description. So, with that being said, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Okay, Jacob, no, that's copyright. So yeah, let me just. Jacob, be careful when you do your videos, because copyright is crazy. So just don't use music that's not yours. Okay, call me Jacob. 13 subscribers. Let's get Jacob 20. Can we get him 20 subscribers? All right. Definitely subscribing. Like the video. You know, you gotta support. You feel me? You see, Jacob got 360 Juice as the whole title. This is not even a Washington style. It's just 360 Juice. How to do 360 Juice. Big shout out to Jacob, man. Call me Jacob. But and he got it in his description as well. So title and description. Tag 360 Juice, and I'm just gonna pick your video, give you a big shout out just like I did to Jacob. Let's get Jacob 20 subscribers. Get it, this is a washing style. Jacob, off bat, wet your hair. You definitely have to wet your hair. Jacob is doing such a great job with wetting his hair before applying shampoo. Let's get it, Jacob. Apply shampoo. I wish he would have did this in the sink. Alright, applying the shampoo. Good. Jacob, it doesn't really matter if your hair lathers or not on the first wash, because you have a lot of products in there, so it don't really matter about the lather. So I don't care about that right now. Don't really care about trying to get the lather. All you're worrying about right now is trying to, get the dirt and the products out of your hair right now. All right, so that's all we're doing. Rinse it out, right? After you rinse it out, Jacob, I want to see you going with a second wash. All right, rinse it out. He's doing a very, very great job, man. He's doing it by himself. Looks very young. Doing everything by himself, and it's very amazing. I love watching this, man. I love watching this. Take care of your hair, making sure it's nice and clean. Add more shampoo. Now, Jacob, I'm not gonna be mad if there's no lather, okay? You're very young. You're doing this by yourself. If there's no lather, I'm gonna be mad inside, but I'm not gonna show it, okay? Because I'm very proud of you. I'm proud of you. If I don't see any lather, it's cool, all right? It's cool. All right, put that shampoo in the second time. It should lather pretty. I see it a little bit. It's getting in there, Jacob. Now you just gonna need that brush, man. You're gonna need that brush. Brush it down. That's decent lather, Jacob. Decent lather. I'm loving the lather, man. Oh, Jacob. Alright. I ain't even gonna say nothing. I wish he would use a better brush, but I understand. He's not a waver yet. He's using what he can use, and I'm very, very happy about that. He's using what he can, so no excuses. Jacob has no excuses. Look at the brush he's using. Do you see that? It's like I don't know what type of brush that is, but it's a brush. It's doing the job. It's getting the job done. Jacob has no excuse, and I really like that. But you out there, oh, I don't have a brush. Look at Jacob. Oh, I don't have shampoo. Look at him. He's like 5 doing this, man. Come on. Good job, Jacob. I'm loving the lather, man. Great lather. Great lather, Jacob. Y'all go subscribe to Jacob. Like this video. Go subscribe to Jacob if you're not already subscribed, because he killing it right now, man. Lather's amazing, immaculate. Only thing is, Jacob, I need you to get a mirror. Alright, get that mirror in so you can see where you're brushing, alright? Jacob is a straight hair texture, so it's gonna be a little harder for him to get waves, but he's definitely gonna get waves if he keeps it up, stays consistent. 5, you gotta brush and rag up. Jacob got a freaking Durag. I ain't never seen that Durag before, but it's a Durag. It's gonna do something. Let me see how you gonna tie it up, Jacob. It's like a swimming cap or something. Wow, this was amazing. This is amazing. This made my day. This made my day. Jacob is doing an amazing job. Jacob, your hair is extremely laid, Jacob. You did a freaking great job, Jacob. I love this whole video. Alright, you did so amazing, Jacob. Good job, man. Results look amazing. Even though I can't really see it, but the waves are not in there fully, Jacob. But you got the lay down part right. Your hair is super laid, and that's the secret to getting waves. When you get the curls in there, if you know how to lay down your hair, the waves are gonna be in there. So Jacob, what I'm gonna need you to do is just keep brushing, okay? Keep brushing. You already got the lay down part down. Just keep brushing now so the curls come in, and then you're on your way to becoming elite. Great job, Jacob.